Let's also focus in on your specific questions. And first up, we've got a live caller joining in. Tushar is on the line with us from Mumbai. Tushar, thanks for calling in. How can we help you with IFCI?
Thank you. Hi, good morning. I've been a long-term investor and I've bought IFCI at 57 rupees a share. I've bought about 3,650 shares, and since then it hasn't shown an escalation. So I need an advice on that.
See, like with any other asset, if the asset is of poor quality, generally it does not tend to do so well. Probably you bought it at a time when strategic sale rumors etc. were doing the rounds. I don't think anybody was interested then and anybody is interested now. In the markets you have to accept your mistake and move on. There's no point sticking on with mistakes and hoping they come back. These days it is the time of the PSUs, but clearly this particular PSU is not doing so well. If you make a portfolio of PSU, since it is a bit of money, BEL, BEML, PFC, REC, HPBP, that sort of a portfolio is likely to do well because all of these things are going to be touched by policy at some point or the other. And the problem with IFCI is that you may get a lot of policy, but none of the policy may be impacting IFCI. So, yes, PSUs are doing well, but IFCI is not. Or a simple move into an NBCC.
Okay, Tushar, that's the call coming in from Ashwini, and some policy movers like PFC, REC, NBCC, those are preferred options that you can watch out for. Moving on then to BEL, we got a next query coming in from Shiresh. He's a doctor joining in on the phone line from Solapur with his query. Thanks for being with us, Shiresh. Take us through your question.
Good morning, madam. Good morning to everybody.
Good morning.
Grand salute to Sri Ashwini Ji Gujral, sir. I am a senior citizen.
Okay.
We love, like, and very much appreciate Mr. Ashwini Gujral's intelligent, well-studied, valuable comments and advice. I bought 500 shares of Bharat Electronics at the rate of 2,150. Now, my question is whether I should average at the current rate or wait for any downside to occur, or otherwise I should invest in NBCC or any multi-bagger idea. I am a long-term investor and it will be better. Please tell me any fundamental excellent script. Thank you very much, sir.
Sir, first of all, thank you for your kind words. See, there's nothing wrong with Bharat Electronics. The stock ran up from 900 to 2300, corrected a bit. Now it's beginning to come back. And if you want, you can average it here. If you want, you can buy NBCC. And finally, BEL will make several times your purchase price. So nothing to be worried about BEL. The government has just come in. Defense FDI has been opened up. So the largest company is likely to benefit. All PSUs, wherever policy is concerned, are likely to benefit. So all of these options, averaging BEL or adding on NBCC, both these things work out. So if you are in good quality PSUs, chances are you will do fairly well.
Okay, Dr. Suresh, nothing much to worry about. You have entered into a good quality stock, but you should look at averaging, bringing down your average purchase price to a BEL lower, and in the long term it can move to levels of 3,000. And NBCC, like you said, Ashwini is also recommended that you can go ahead and buy into that.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.